Hello everyone! Ready to sharpen those Python skills? Today we're diving into 5 intriguing Python questions. Let's jump right in. Question 1. Let's start with something that might seem simple at first but has a twist. Consider this code snippet. What do you think the output will be? Go on, take a guess before we reveal the answer. Here's a hint. Think about how Python compares strings. Ever heard of ASCII values? They're about to play a crucial role in this comparison. The answer is false. Surprised? Let me explain why. In Python, strings are compared character by character based on their ASCII values. So when we compare Tom with Tom, Python looks at the ASCII value of each character. Now, did you know that the ASCII value of lowercase t is 116, while uppercase t is 84? Since 116 is greater than 84, Python concludes that Tom is not less than Tom. And here's a fun bonus. You can actually calculate the weightage of these strings by summing up their ASCII values. Check out this code snippet to see it in action. Question 2. Moving on, let's talk about lists and the differences between extend and append. Imagine you have 2 lists. What do you think happens when we first extend x with y, and then append y to x? Let's take a look at the code. Answer. Here's the result. After x.extend y, the list x becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because extend adds each element from y as individual elements to x. But when you use x.append y, the entire list y is added as a single element to x. So now x looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Pretty cool, right? Question 3. Here's a quick brain teaser for you. What's the result of this expression? Take a moment to think about it. Don't let the double asterisks fool you. Answer. The answer is 512. How did we get there? Well, exponentiation in Python is right associative. This means that 3 *** 2 is calculated first, giving us 9. Then we raise 2 to the power of 9, resulting in 512. So always remember, when dealing with multiple exponents, Python works from right to left. Question 4. Now let's talk about functions and default arguments. Check out this code. What do you think happens with each function call? This one's tricky, so take your time. Answer. Here's what happens. Function 1 adds 1 to an empty list, so we get 1. Function 2 reuses that list and adds 2, giving us 1, 2. Function 3 uses a brand new list, so the result is 3. Finally, function 4 goes back to the shared list and adds 4, resulting in 1, 2, 4. This example shows how default mutable arguments like lists can lead to unexpected behavior if you're not careful. Question 5. Last but not least, let's see what happens when dictionary keys collide. Consider this. What do you think will happen? How many keys does the dictionary have? And what value will Alice hold? Answer. The dictionary only has 2 keys, and Alice holds the value 10. Why? Because in Python, dictionary keys must be unique. If the same key appears multiple times, the last value overwrites the previous one. So length of scores returns 2 and scores of Alice gives us 10. A perfect example of Python's last write wins rule. How did you do? Whether you nailed all the answers or learned something new, Remember that the beauty of Python lies in these little details. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. See you next time.